Good evening. Hello, everyone. This is a short testimonial regarding the syndicate system. I initially joined this program a couple of months ago, and as you can see in front of me, my name is Damon. As you can see, this is my account, and I was recommended Hanko Trade as one of the investors. As you can see, I invested close to $700 a couple of months ago, and right now, as of today, 7/14, I'm profiting $1,559.59. and withdrawals of $463.80. When I first joined this, I didn't know too much about trading and Forex, and I still don't. With the software, you don't really have to know anything. Just invest in this software, invest how much money you can, and let the software do all the work for you. And if you like this software, just get in touch with TubeCore on Skype. He'll help you out. He'll help you set up everything. And this is a really good system. As I said before, you don't have to really know anything about trading. Just invest in this and you'll be good to go. That's it. And thank you. Thanks to TubeCore. Have a good evening.